Yamaha is known for delivering great cruisers, and the TMAX series commonly centers around cutting-edge innovation and solace highlights. Here are a few perspectives to consider while assessing the 2023 Yamaha TMAX 560. Motor execution. The motor is quite possibly of the most basic. Consider a bike's presentation. The TMAX 560 likely elements a strong motor with a removal of 560 cubic centimeters, offering a decent harmony among power and eco-friendliness. It might have different chambers for smooth power conveyance and solid speed increase. Plan and ergonomics. The TMAX series frequently underscores solace and significant distance visiting capacities. Expect a plan that focuses on rider solace with an upstanding seating position, roomy ergonomics, and great breeze security. Moreover, highlights like customizable windshields, warmed holds, and open-to seating could upgrade the riding experience. Innovation and gadgets. Yamaha's TMAX line ordinarily consolidates cutting-edge innovation and hardware. These may incorporate a complete instrument bunch with an enormous LCD screen, coordinated route framework, cell phone network, Bluetooth sound framework, and different riding modes. Expect highlights like foothold control, ABS, and perhaps even semi-dynamic suspension to upgrade well-being and execution. Capacity and common sense. Visiting focused cruisers frequently offer liberal stockpiling choices. The TMAX 560 could incorporate coordinated hard baggage panniers, a top box, or both. These compartments give more than adequate space to conveying fundamental things during longer rides. Suspension and slowing down. Yamaha regularly outfits its cruisers with top-notch suspension parts and stopping mechanisms. Search for highlights like movable suspension, front and back, guaranteeing a smooth and agreeable ride over changing street conditions. Moreover, anticipate that exceptional stopping mechanisms with ABS should upgrade well-being and control. Security highlights. The TMAX 560 may have extra well-being highlights, for example, vulnerable side checking, versatile voyage control, or in any event, cornering ABS. These highlights intend to furnish riders with expanded certainty and assurance while out and about. Keep in mind, the above focuses are general assumptions in view of Yamaha's past models and the attributes regularly found in the TMAX series. For precise and nitty-gritty data about the 2023 Yamaha TMAX 560, I prescribe alluding to True Yamaha distributions, sites, or reaching approved Yamaha sellers for the most modern and explicit subtleties. And also I would like pay your attention for below options. Relocation. The dislodging alludes to the all-out volume of air and fuel blend that the motor can allow during a total pattern of every one of its chambers. A 560 cubic centimeters motor proposes a moderate removal, giving a harmony among power and eco-friendliness. Power result. The power result of the motor can differ in view of variables like the plan, innovation, and tuning. A 560 cubic centimeters motor could offer a decent power yield reasonable for visiting and ordinary riding. Nonetheless, the specific pull and force figures would rely upon the particular motor plan. Design. The motor setup can essentially affect the cruiser's exhibition attributes. While I don't have data about the TMAX 560's motor, it very well may be an equal twin, inline 4, V-twin, or some other design regularly tracked down in bikes. Various arrangements enjoy their extraordinary benefits with regards to control, conveyance, perfection, and by and large execution. Fuel framework. The fuel framework decides how the motor gets fuel for ignition. Most current bikes utilize electronic fuel infusion, EFI, frameworks, which give exact fuel conveyance and enhance execution across different riding conditions. EFI frameworks guarantee better eco-friendliness, choke reaction, and by and large motor execution. Transmission. The transmission framework changes the motor's control over completely to the wheels. Cruisers regularly have a manual transmission with different pinion wheels. The quantity of pinion wheels can change, however most cruisers in this class as a rule have a 6-speed transmission. A smooth and responsive transmission considers better control and speed increase. Fumes framework. The fumes framework assumes a part in motor presentation and sound. It assists in removing with debilitating gases and adds to in general power conveyance. Superior execution cruisers frequently have upgraded exhaust frameworks for further developed power and a particular exhaust note.